Aloha. Today we'll be unboxing the Echo Show 8 Generation 2, replacing an old Echo Show 10 Gen 2. It started to have some burn-in, so I got this to replace it. Let's see what's going on. Easy pull tab, slide it up. Ooh, a nice little handle to pull out. Slides right out. You got your Amazon Smile. Comes with a little brochure, some pages. Also inside's a power outlet. Seems like that's all that's in the box though. And then we do this and this. Slide it out. Easy peasy to remove plastic. And there you go. Echo Show 8. Pretty sweet. Okay, aloha.